Here's a short recap of part 21 of the Frogger series. First, open the Game Manager and create a new variable of type Boolean called GameStarted. Second, create a new input action called IA_fire. Then open the input mapping context file and add in a new action and use the IA_fire we just created. Add some key bindings for this action. In this example, we'll use the F key. Third, open the player blueprint and in the event begin play, get the GameStarted variable we created earlier to use in a branch decision. In one path, we'll get the HUD reference and add it to the viewport. In the other path, we'll get the title screen reference, then add it to the viewport and set the character movement mode to none. Next, create the input action fire event and use the GameStarted variable again in the branch decision. If the game hasn't started yet, then set the variable to true and get the title screen reference to play the custom animation event we created in the earlier video. Wait for the animation to finish, then remove the widget from its parent, reset the game timer, and add the HUD widget back to the viewport. Don't forget to set the character movement back to walking. We'll then add a new camera actor to our main level and position it inside one of the tunnels. Open the level blueprint, and in the event begin play, we'll set the view target with blend using the camera we just added. Then, back in the player blueprint in the IA_fire event, we'll set the view target with blend back to the player right before we reset the timer. Finally, we'll tweak the title screen animation to fade the canvas image quicker than the canvas text. We can also tweak the directional light position by pressing Ctrl-Alt-L with the light selected and positioning it lower in the sky. And just like that, we now have a way to launch our game from the title screen. Stay tuned for part 22.